your guide to learning with Tumamina Teaching.
If learning had a pause button, when would you press it? Like, right when the teacher moves on and you're still stuck on that one thing. Or when one small part doesn't make sense and suddenly the whole lesson feels confusing. Yeah, that moment. To actually pause learning, rewind, and finally understand. Tumamina Teaching, or just TMT, is here for those stuck moments. TMT's lessons are designed with South African learners in mind, creating free, capsule-lined video lessons that break things down step by step. You can explore subjects like EMS, Natural Sciences, and Social Sciences, grades 7 to 9, with more grades and subjects coming soon. There are 2 simple ways to use Tumamina Teaching. Find us quickly and easily on YouTube to watch TMT lessons anywhere and anytime. YouTube is perfect for revision, catching up on missed work, or getting a clear explanation when something doesn't make sense. Just search Tumamina Teaching on YouTube and start learning. No sign up needed. Our lessons are organized into playlists by grade and subject, so it's easy to find what you need. Each playlist covers the full year's work with short videos that explains the most important ideas clearly. And it's not just videos. In each lesson's description, you'll find free slides, self-marking quizzes, and worksheets to help you practice what you've learned and check your understanding. Everything in one place, simple to access and ready to use. For a guided learning journey, explore the TMT LearnLab. Create your free profile to keep track of your learning as you go. TMT LearnLab helps you work through subjects step by step, track your progress, check your understanding with short quizzes, and build confidence as you improve over time. Your learning is saved, so you can pick up right where you left off. Now, let's talk access. To access TMT LearnLab, open your browser and type learn.tmteaching.co.za, or simply find the TMT LearnLab link on our YouTube or WhatsApp channels. Create a profile by signing in with your email address or via your Google account. If you don't have an email address yet, no worries. Simply click on Google and create your first email address. And that's it! You're now enrolled in a free, world-class learning experience. Once you're signed in, you'll see that every lesson in TMT LearnLab follows a clear, familiar flow. You'll start with a short 3-question warm-up, followed by 2 or 3 short video lessons. After each video, you'll answer a few interactive questions so you can check your understanding as you go. So, how should you use the TMT LearnLab? If you already know what you're struggling with, head to the sidebar and jump straight to that topic, or work through a terms lesson step by step to make sure you're fully prepared before exam time. So there you have it. On the one side, you have everything on YouTube for quick access, revision, and catch-up. On the other side, you can sign up to TMT LearnLab for deeper and more structured learning. Both are available at no cost to you. Welcome to learning that finally makes sense.